Have you ever wondered what it means to fight a battle that never ends? A battle not with swords, but with the very struggles of life. Good day. I am Jeremy Sabado, Agriculture Hashira. This is my mark, a proof, simbolo ng dang tinahak ko to protect agriculture, to stand as an ally of farmers. And my enemies? They're not demons of the night. They are pests. Global warming, struggles of society itself, mababang presyo ng palay, mataas na presyo ng bigas, mass production, maraming nabubulok, maraming nasasayang, and a broken agriculture system that leaves farmer behind. These are the monsters or demons we face every single day. From this moment on, my story as an agriculture hashtag begins. My training arc began at the National Irrigation Administration, NIA. Here, they taught us on how to use AutoCAD and try it afterward. This is the floor plan we created. Tinuruan din nila kami mag-SketchUp, kung saan yung ginawa naming floor plan ay naging 3D. Umattend din kami sa mga information dissemination tungkol sa pagpaparami ng ani, pagpapatubig, at mga programa ng NIA na higit na makatutulong sa mga magsasaka. We also had the field trips from different irrigation systems and irrigation association held by NIA Division 5. These experiences was like learning to wield a Nichiren sword. Difficult at first, but slowly shaping me into who I am today. Who inspired me to follow this path? I was inspired by farmers and mentors who showed me the importance of agriculture in our nation. And through my field trips and attending an information dissemination, I realized that this is more than just a career. It is a mission. What fuels me, It's the reality of hunger, the struggles of our farmers, the call for a sustainable future. Agriculture is my battlefield, and this is where I choose to fight. Agriculture will be our sword. It will protect families from hunger. It will uplift the livelihood of the farmers. It will build a Philippines that is greener, stronger, and more sustainable. Because I believe that agriculture will be the flame that gives life, the foundation of stronger Philippines. Will empower farmers, sustain communities, and light the way toward a truly sustainable future. Together, let us sprout out. This is Jeremy Sabado para sa Bayan, Agham at Agrikultura.